Have you ever wondered how famous cartoon sound effects are made? You may think that SpongeBob's walking sound is just a normal person walking, but it's actually a rubber duck being squeezed. Don't believe me? Just listen. You may think that Jake the dog's stretching sound from Adventure Time is just a regular stretching sound, but it's actually a balloon being played with. Just listen. You may think that Rick's portal from Rick and Morty is just a normal portal sound made with a computer, but it's actually just a guy slurping noodles. Just listen. Noodles aren't the only thing I want to be slurping on right now.
What do you mean by that?